Behind every global brand lies precision-engineered excellence. Icegalax, a manufacturing partner to a global cold plunge giant and North America's top 3 ice bath retailer, we have 30 square meter smart factory with 10 fully automated lines. All product lines are CE certified. How do we deliver the ordered units in 15 days? Let's unveil the engine of industrial innovation. 70% automation meets 30% human mastery, where machine efficiency and veteran engineers create perfection. From raw acrylic sheets to seamless 3D molding, every curve perfected within 0.5 millimeters tolerance. Witness manual cutting technology, repeatedly polished to ensure that each product detail is perfect. With unique thermal insulation, leak-proof and insulated from high temperatures. We support color, size, and function customization. From CAD to installation, 30-day standard lead time, and 15-day expedited with VIP slots. Performance and elegance combination. Partner with the cold plunge retailers where 1 in 3 luxury resorts source their baths. Are you ready to scale with partners who engineer possibilities? Let's build your next success story.